Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm gonna show you how to handle a missed payment on your Upstart loan in 2025. So missing a payment on your Upstart loan can have consequences, including late fees and potential harm to your credit score. So if you've missed a due date, follow these steps to resolve the issue as quickly as possible. So here are the steps. The first is to log into your Upstart account. So you want to go to www.upstart.com and log into your loan dashboard, and then you're going to locate your payment history and check the status of your missed payment. And then you're going to click on make a payment and choose a payment method. Could be a bank transfer, debit cards, or whatever. Go ahead and click on make a payment, and once you've done choosing the payment method, if you have insufficient funds, you want to consider transferring money into your account before retrying. Next is going to be to contact Upstart's customer support. So if you cannot pay immediately, then reach out to Upstart as soon as possible. You want to call their customer support hotline, or you can send an email explaining your situation, and they may offer options such as a grace period or temporary deferment. Next, you can be aware of late fees and credit impact. You need to be aware of late fees and credit impact. So Upstart charges a late fee if your payment is 15 or more days late. So payments 30 days plus late may be reported to credit bureaus, which can lower your credit score. So you got to take note of that. If it's 15 days or more, you're gonna get late fees, and if it's 30 days or more, it's gonna be reported to the credit bureau. So you have a slight bit of chance to make a payment to basically fix yourself. Next is to monitor your credit reports. So if a late payment is reported, you want to check your credit report to track any changes, and consider using a credit monitoring service to stay updated on your score. So yeah, that's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough, at least. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought about it. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.